conscience is hurting my ear, but I'm happy as long as you are. I hide if I can. I don't care where I stand, as long as you are bent down. You never said, what does it mean? I'm speaking the same words again, but I will if you have to fall. I'm here if you want me at all, just as long as you are bent down. She feels I'm laid out for everything here. She keeps me away from this song of mine. I don't know why this won't stop, 'cause maybe it just won't stop. But it will if I hear you call. Though maybe you don't care at all, but at least you're the one bent down. She feels I'm laid out for everything here. She keeps me away from this song of mine. You could be here, oh, you can be here, as close as I can hold, together as we're told. Oh, we were the ones bent down.